Siddhi. The Siddhi, also known as Habshi, Shidi, are an ethnic group inhabiting India and Pakistan. The Siddhi population is currently estimated at around 27,000 to 3,50,000 individuals, with Karnataka, Gujarat, and Hyderabad in India as the main population centers. In every way, the Siddhis are Indian citizens. They speak the language, they live the culture, they identify as Indians themselves. It is extremely rare for a Siddhi to marry a person from outside their community. Their unique heritage is practices Goma music and dance form. In local Gujarati language, it is called as Dhamal. The Siddhi used to perform this dance after returning from a successful hunt in the jungles. This was also an entertainment for the rulers. The dance form has a unique way of drumming and dance in a similar fashion to Africans. If you are visit Gir, don't miss to see their colorful dance. During the performance, they wear nothing above the waist, while they wear either a piece of fabric or the peacock feathers below the waist. The waistband decorated with shells is a must. Siddhi is known for physical strength, and they will happily perform the Dhamal dance whenever they get opportunity to do so.